Welcome to the Professional Banner Stand installation tutorial. Here is everything you will need to install a banner in your banner stand. The banner stand, the top bar, a banner trimmed to size, and additional tape. First, you will begin by removing the end caps and unclamping the top bar. Next, position the banner in the top bar, ensuring that it is inserted fully. Press down on the top bar to clamp the graphic into place. Start from the center and work your way out. This ensures that the graphic is applied smoothly. Place the end caps back onto the top bar. Now, re-roll your banner. Remove the paper backing from the adhesive found on the leader and apply your graphic. Add additional tape to ensure a long-lasting and durable application. Flip the banner stand over and apply additional tape to the back of the banner and the leader. Pull the leader from the base, holding it with your one hand. With the other hand, pull the locking pin found on the left side of the base. Using your hands, gently guide the banner back into the base. You now successfully have installed your banner into your professional banner stand.